Have you ever wondered why a patient with heart failure can suddenly deteriorate, despite being stable for weeks? Or why loop diuretics seem like magic one day and totally ineffective the next? These aren't just random clinical puzzles. They're exactly the kinds of questions that appear on your internal medicine boards, and if you're prepping for them, there's one resource that's like gold: the 2024 ACP Internal Medicine Board Review course. Packed with 39 video lectures and one comprehensive PDF, this course isn't just a passive review. It's a strategic tool designed by board-certified internists to teach you how to think like the examiners. For example, when reviewing cardiology, the instructors don't just list out NYHA classifications, they show you how to apply them to tricky STEM questions under time pressure. You'll revisit high-yield areas like pulmonary embolism, diabetes management, liver enzyme patterns, and antibiotic stewardship. Plus, each MP4 covers exactly what you need. No fluff, just the essentials, explained clearly with clinical reasoning in mind. What makes this review stand out is how it transforms passive content into clinical judgment training. And let's be honest, if you're in med school, residency, or even prepping for recertification, you can't afford to waste time on bloated material or second-guessing U-world answers. This course trims the fat, fills in the blanks, and gives you a clear path to board success. If you're serious about passing your boards, or just want a rock-solid foundation in internal medicine, click the link in the description to get instant access to the full downloadable package. You'll get all 39 lectures plus the searchable PDF summary in one go. Don't forget to like, share this with your study group, and subscribe to the channel for more high-yield medical breakdowns. Your future MD self will thank you.